Many people are asking me, Abhishek, how do I survive this situation of COVID 19? Because it is literally sucking the juice out of my life. Yes, in the first 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, everything was fine and I was able to just go ahead with my life. But right now, it's been like about 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and I think this is gonna last for a year or something. And now I'm losing my drive. I don't know how should I go ahead and cope up with my life. And most of the people are saying, Abhishek, I had so many dreams this year, and because of this COVID 19, I'm unable to take any action in my life, and that thing is really pissing me off. And because of that, you see most of the people getting depressed or sad or frustrated about their own lives. So, how do we change this? What is that one key ingredient, or what is that one key skill which we need to master so that we can just go ahead and not only stand in during these times of COVID-19 situations, but stand tall and strong and firm in any kind of situation like this? What is that one key ingredient or one key skill which we need to master? And the answer is faith. Yes, faith. See, I'm not talking about trust over here. When I say faith, people might think that I'm talking about trust, but there is a difference between faith and trust. Friends, for trust, you need references, you need proofs, yes or no? And when you get proofs, then is when you are able to trust somebody. But faith is something which you don't need any references. How do you believe God? You don't have any references, you just believe God. You just have faith. And in the same way, I'll give you another example. Say, for example, you're traveling. Have you ever traveled on a two-way road? A two-way road which is not even divided by a divider. It is just a narrow road, but you see the vehicles coming in two-way. Now, how do you travel on that road? Because frankly speaking, there is so much of doubt, right? So if at all you just turn your steering a bit, maybe in just a 10 degrees direction, then you will just go ahead and crash. Alright, so maybe you are a good driver, but what if the other person who is there in front of you, don't you think he might be an alcoholic? He might be a person who is feeling asleep, and don't you think he might go wrong? Yes, he might. But you know what? We still travel, don't we? We still go, don't we? That is called faith. Just going ahead and believing without even having references. And in life, my friends, that is what we need to do. We just need to go ahead and move forward in spite of all the adversities which are happening around us. Oh yes, do I mean that in this COVID-19 situation, take away your mask and roam freely? No. You take your precautionary measures, you do all those things which you can do maximum. But after doing that, even if you're fearing, then trust me, that is lacking your ability to go ahead and take action. So do whatever the things which are necessary, carry a sanitizer, wear a mask and all stuff, but still don't give up on what you are really born to do. Still don't give up on those things which you have planned to do. So in this situation, it is really important to have faith. So develop that faith and just move forward.